We're going to do a quick demonstration on sharpening a chisel. This is one of my construction chisels. Got all nicked up. And what we have here is a white aluminum oxide wheel. And I've made this jig a long time ago to hold this jig. Which holds the chisel. And then we'll proceed to very carefully grind down, going back and forth. Try not to overheat the edge. You don't want any burn marks showing up. Until we get all the nicks out of the edge. Okay, the next step is to get another jig out that holds the chisel against the stone at the proper angle. Okay, and the proper way to set this up is to set the chisel up and then put it against a straight edge. So you have just the very tip touching the straight edge, and there's a slight gap at the top of the bevel. Then you're all set to hone the chisel. First start with a 600 grit Japanese water stone. Then we want to switch over and then do the flat side. And you can repeat that a couple times if needed. Then we switch to a honing stone. Put a drop of oil on the stone and do the same procedure. Just a couple of times. Now you have a nice edge.